This is a demonstration on how to use the Aquatabs test kit for testing the chlorine demand of water. The test kit consists of Aquatabs tablets, 3.5 milligram strength, and chlorine test strips. First thing you have to do is measure out a litre of test water sample. This water sample would be from the source that you intend to treat with the Medentech product, either Aquatabs or Aquacept. Fill the samples to the 1 litre mark. Having filled the samples, you can now add the Aquatabs water treatment tablets. Next we'll add the Aquatabs tablets to the samples and start the reaction. Tablets are in strips and can be torn off. In this case we will put 1 tablet in here, which is sample 1, and we will put 2 tablets in here, sample 2, and start the timer. If you look in the picture, you can see that the tablets are starting to effervesce, and they will gradually dissolve and the chlorine will react with whatever there is in the water. Now as the time approaches 4 minutes, the Aquatabs tablets have completely dissolved in the water, and now the chlorine will react with whatever organic materials are in the water. We will leave it now until the hour mark, and then we'll test it for the concentration of chlorine residual. After 1 hour, test using the chlorine test strips. Test strips have the colour indicator on the side. Open the tub and remove a test strip. Now we're up to about 1 hour. So we'll test the first sample first, which was the one with 1 tablet. Put in the tablet the strip for 5 seconds. 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, 5 second. And now compare the colour on the guide. We can see the colour on the guide is coming in at about 0.3 chlorine on this strip. Now we will test the one with 2 tablets, much the same way. Take out the strip, put it in the water, go 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, 5 second, and we can check it against the water. As you can see, it's much stronger colour, coming up to around between 2 and 5. Now, because the first strip had 0.3 within it, there was enough chlorine. If you had tested the test strip and not seen any chlorine, then you would know you would have to use a higher dose. So for instance, if we look at the water which hasn't been treated, one second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, 5 second. Now if we can compare this on the test strip, you can see that there is no chlorine. The reading is 0. So if you do get no colour like that, or anything less than the colour of 0.3, you know that the dose isn't high enough and you should use a slightly higher dose. If there is a very high dose in the water, you may need to add 3 tablets or 4 tablets. The 2 tablets, one tablet, which is the 3.5 milligram, corresponds to 2 parts per million of chlorine. The 2 tablets corresponds to 4 parts per million of chlorine. And so long as you have a dose of 0.3 in the water, 0.3 in the water after 1 hour, you know that the dose is high enough.